BMW E90, 320d year 2009-2013 diesel engine. This car. The problem of this car is that when you want to start the engine, the ignition switch is in the on position, but there is no crank, it does not start. How to fix? When I want to start the car engine, I insert the remote key ignition switch and click the push start button. With the ignition switch in the on position, press the brake pedal to start the engine and click the push start button. But no crank and no start. How to fix this problem in your car? Most of the time it is just a low charge or dead battery. Could be due to a corroded connection. Check relay or fuse for cause of engine not starting. A bad fuse can also cause problems. But a waste the starter may be the cause of the problem. I will check again just to show you. I turned on the car's ignition switch and pressed the brake pedal again. When I click press start button, no crank and no start. Number 1, I will check car battery voltage with battery and electric system analyzer. To check the battery voltage, open the rear trunk hood and on the right side of the battery, use the battery tester. Connect the black clip to the negative side and the red one clip to the positive side of the battery. The battery voltage is fine, there is no problem. It may be that the cable of your car battery has a loose connection. Check it well, and if your car battery is not charged, change it. If the battery voltage is low, then definitely charge it. Number 2, to check fuse and relay, first open the globe box and take out the inside fuse box cover just like this. All BMW cars have a fuse box cover or a fuse diagram catalog paper with Facebook which you can easily check fuses. Check all the fuses written start-stop in the fuse catalog here. Change any blown fuses. I have checked all the fuses of this car, no problem, and there is a big black colored relay, terminal 30 grams, on the right side of the fuse box. This relay is the problem. If your car's engine won't start and you change it, but I don't have any problem with this car's relay. Number 3, now I will check the condition of the car starter. All car starters are the same, 2 wires, one big and one small wire. Big wire battery supply 12 volt and small on wire ignition is the start 12 volt. You can check the battery supply voltages with a multimeter, but I check with a test pan to see if there's a battery supply volt line between the large wires. Have another person hold the test lead to test the thin wire ignition connection. Click the push start button. If the starter test pan lights up like this, then you have no problem with the wiring. You have starter problem, so change the starter. There is no problem with this car's wiring, so to change the starter, first disconnect the battery head cable connection. Remember that if you don't open the battery connection to change the starter of your car, the starter has a positive connection and a negative connection on the engine body of the car, so if it touches the wire and the body, the connection will be broken by fire. After opening the battery connection, first open the 2 wires of the starter. Once the starter wire connection is open, now use a 10 mm spanner to open the stator 3 square. The starter is fitted with 3 screws, so opening the 3 screws will allow the starter to come out. To change the starter, I unscrew the 3 screws and pull the starter out. The starter didn't work, so I replaced it with a new one. I will now install this new starter. Place the starter nicely and tighten the 3 screws well. 3 screws have been installed. Now connect the starter wire connection. Connect the thin wire ignition connection first and then connect the battery supply voltage cable. Once the installation is complete, connect the battery head cable connection. Completed the installation of the starter, now I will start the engine of the car. I entered the car and inserted the remote key into the ignition switch and clicked the push start button. After turning the ignition switch on, pressed the brake pedal and clicked the push start button to start the engine. Inshallah, the car engine started, no problem. After watching the video, if you have any problem understanding anything, please comment. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video, click the bell button to get the next new video, share the video and let your friends watch the video. Thank you very much for watching the full video.